I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone, my name is Jessica. Welcome to my walking tour in Praia do Forte, Bahia in Brazil. Praia do Forte is such a beautiful and extraordinary place, as you'll quickly see for yourself. Before I start, it would mean a lot to me if you please could like this video and leave a comment about your experience. We'll begin our tour with a visit to one of the most beautiful and iconic spots in Praia do Forte Village, an amazing village with art galleries, handicraft stores, restaurants, and even hostels. I think it's one of the most stunning places in the region and a must-do while you're here. Let's take a look around. We'll continue our journey with a look at the stunning beaches of Praia do Forte and its crystal clear waters. It's hard to find words to describe the beauty of these beaches, so be sure to see it for yourself. The feeling when you walk down the beach and dip your feet in the sea, especially during the golden hour, is just an unforgettable experience. Next is the Praia do Seco beach. It's simply breathtaking, with golden sand and emerald green waters. There are plenty of beach activities to choose from here, so make sure to check it out for yourself. Visiting this beach is a great way to spend a leisurely afternoon in Praia do Forte. Our last stop is the famous Praia do Forte lighthouse. This is an old lighthouse built at the beginning of the 19th century, which offers spectacular views of the area from the top. I have truly loved taking you around Praia do Forte and giving you a glimpse into one of its most incredible parts. I hope our tour helped you learn more about this fantastic beach and maybe make your plans to visit this paradise spot even more exciting. I'm Jessica. Thanks for watching my walking tour. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.